Hello, Savon Stryker, General Manager of the Bob Penkhus Motor Company. I want to be the first to thank you and congratulate you on your new purchase. I also want to welcome you to the Bob Penkhus Volvo, Mazda, Volkswagen, and Mitsubishi family. We're excited to have the opportunity to help and serve you as you move forward with your new vehicle. Our service department is open and available Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. One of the things we offer to all of our customers is a complimentary oil change on their new vehicle. You may have already heard from one of our service representatives to schedule your appointment. That appointment can be changed at any time to be convenient for you. You can do that online, over the phone, or in person, whatever's most convenient for you. To schedule a service appointment online, you simply go online to our website, you click on the Service and Parts tab. Once you're on the page, you'll click Schedule Service, and from there you'll enter in your information, select your appointment date, and accept the appointment. You can reschedule that appointment as needed around your schedule. When you bring your vehicle in to our award-winning service department, you're going to receive a video inspection. You're going to receive a full multi-point inspection. We're going to wash and vacuum your vehicle, and we're going to deliver that vehicle back to you. We also offer online and text bill pay for your convenience. We have a number of amenities that you can take advantage of. We offer a valet program where we pick up your vehicle, service it, and bring it back to you. We have a loaner car program. We also offer an Uber program that allows you to simply drop your vehicle off, have an Uber take you wherever you need to go, and simply click and have you brought back here when your vehicle's done. And last, if you choose to stay while your vehicle's being serviced, we have a full array of amenities here for you to take advantage of while you wait. We are honored and look forward to serving you and your vehicle for many years to come, so that we can show you why nobody buys just one at Bob Penkhus.